Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well and good. Today I came up with a presentation that is about the Code Basics Resume Project Challenge 9. I participated in this project. So let's get started. First, we will start with the introduction of the project. So in this today's presentation, we are going to talk about the retail company, which is an Atliq map. In this presentation, we will look at the retail business and we will also understand the business structure, what they need, and how can we help them through our analysis to grow their business. Now let's move on. Now we will understand about the company structure. So, Atliq is a retail giant company with over 50 plus supermarkets in the southern region of India. Yeah, Atliq have their retail stores in very big cities in India like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mysuru. So this is all about the company structure. So now let's move further. Now we will look at the problem statement. So, uh, Atliq Mark 50 have 50 stores that ran a massive promotion during Diwali 2023 and Sankranti 2024, that is festive time in India, we all know that, on their Atliq branded products. So now the sales director wants to know that which promotion did well and which not, so that they can make informed decisions from their promotional period. Now let's look at our analysis. So first, we will understand about the database. We have here four tables like them campaigns, products, stores, and festivals. These different tables store the data about the different stores. So it is about the data. Now let's move. So here I use some tools for analysis. The first tool that I use that is SQL. SQL I use to fetch the queries as per the business request. That company gave us the ad hoc request file, which is a business request file. In that we have to fetch the SQL queries. And next one is Power BI. Power BI I use to make the dashboard. Move ahead. Now we will look at some business requests. There are some kind of business requests. So first is high product, store distribution analysis, promo campaign, Diwali, success campaign, and top product seller. We will look at that one by one. Go ahead. Here, the business request. First business request is provide a list of products with a base price greater than 500 that are featured in BOGO. BOGO stands for here buy one get one free. So as you can see in this presentation, there are two products that are featured in BOGO and greater than the 500 price. So there are two products. One is Atliq waterproof immersion rod and the second is Atliq double bed sheet set. Here the second business request is generate a report that provides the overview of number of stores in each city. As you can see that here Bangalore has highest number of stores and then Chennai and then Hyderabad and so on. Here, this is the SQL query output and this is the Power BI report output to verify the data. Now let's move further. Now the next business request is generate a report that displays the each campaign along with their total revenue generated before and after the campaign. As you can see in the report here, Diwali generated the highest revenue as compared to Sankranti. Diwali generates the 160 million after promotion and Sankranti made 88 million after promotion. Here, Sankranti generated the total revenue before promotion is 58 and Diwali generated 82 million revenue before promotion. This is the Power BI output and this is SQL query output for the verification of the data. Now let's move on. Now the next business request is produce a report that generates the incremental sold quantity percentage for each category during the Diwali campaign. So here, as you can see that the highest IC percentage categories home appliances, combo one, home care, personal care store, grocery and staples in Diwali. As you can, this is an actual output and this is Power BI output for the verification of the data. The business request create a report the featuring top 5 products ranked by the incremental revenue percentage across all campaigns. Atliq Home Essential had 8 product combo with the percentage IR percentage 136 and then so on like Atliq waterproof machine rod, Atliq high glow 50-watt LED bulb and then so on. This is an SQL query output. I'll show you the Power BI report output. You can see the verification for the data. Now let's move over further additional analysis. Here we will talk about these three types of analysis like store performance, promotional type and product and category. We will look at this one by one. First we will do the store promotion analysis. So the first question is which are the top 10 stores in terms of incremental revenue generated from the promotion? As you can see in this, here these are the top 10 stores in terms of incremental revenue that generated from the stores. Here, store in Mysuru 1 generated the most revenue with 7.2 million. Now let's move. Which are the bottom 10 stores when it comes to incremental store units? As you can see in this report, we have bottom 10 stores that generated the less incremental store units. So this is the least, or you can say the worst stores in terms of incremental sold units with a 9052 sold units. How now the next question is, how does the performance of store vary city by city? Are there any common characteristics among the top performing stores that can be leveraged across other stores? So look, the performance of stores vary city by city on the basis of how the each store performs. Here, the top performing stores are store in Mysuru 1, store in Chennai 4, store in Bangalore 0, and 7, etc. on the basis of incremental revenue. And in these top performing stores, promo type of 500 cashback and BOGO are the best performer ever. So now we will look at our next analysis, that is promotion type analysis. So the first question is this: what are two promotion types that are resulted in the highest incremental revenue? As you can see in this report, we have two promotions that are very high in incremental revenue, that are 500 cashback and BOGO. Here, the 500 cashback generated a 157.95 million and BOGO generated a 47.62 million. Now let's move further. What are the bottom two promotion types in terms of their impact on incremental sold unit? These are the bottom two promotion types that generate that are the bottoms, or you can say worst performer in terms of incremental sold unit. One is 50% off and the second one is 25% off. Move ahead. Is there any significant difference in the performance of discount based promotion or versus BOGO or cashback promotion? Here, you can see in the report here 500 cashback and BOGO are the best performers in terms of incremental revenue percentage or the ISU percentage. And these three are the worst performers. And the 25% of are the very worst performer ever in terms of both. So now the next question is, which promotions strike the best balance between incremental sold units and maintaining healthy margin? As we see earlier, that two promotion 500 cashback and BOGO are the highest profitable promotion types in terms of incremental revenue or in terms of incremental sold units. So BOGO is the highest promo type when it comes to incremental sold units, and then 500 cashback is the second one. So generally, these two promotions are striking the best healthy margins ever. So now our third analysis is product and category analysis. Here you can say the first question is, which product categories saw the most significant lift in sales from the promotion? So in this report you can see the output that combo 1 is the highest profitable category, and then grocery and staples, and then so on. Here combo 1 generated 157.95 million revenue, and grocery and staples is 58.909 revenue. Move ahead. So the next question is, are there any specific products that respond exceptionally well or poorly to promotion? Here, Atliq home essential 8 product combo are the top products in terms that is generated the highest incremental revenue percentage. Now we will talk about the bottom 5 products by incremental revenue. Here, Atliq crumb sponge are the worst product in terms of incremental revenue that generated very less revenue, that is 0.21 million. So the next question is, what is the correlation between product category and promotion type effectiveness? So look first, promo type and product category effectiveness based on which product category in which promotion type is used most. As you can see in the support here, in grocery and staples, the 33% of promotion type is used most, and in the home care, the BOGO and the 25% of are equal. And the person cares 300 is 50% off. Then that means in personal care 50% of promotion type used most, and then so on you can see in this report. So this is called the effectiveness of product category and promotion type. Move ahead. Now we will look at some additional insights of this analysis. So as you can see, best promotional offers are the 500 cashback and BOGO. So what company will do about it? So company should consider these two promotions at the top priority because they generated the most revenue and launch these offers more on festival. Now We will look at the next, that is most profitable cities in terms of the incremental. These are the most profitable cities, as you can see: Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mysuru, Coimbatore, and Madurai. These are the top cities in terms of incremental revenue. So companies should focus on these cities more and run the promotion most in this city so that they will generate more profit for the company. Now we'll look at that. What are the top 10 stores in perform best in terms of incremental? So as you can see, there are the top 10 stores. These perform the best in terms of incremental generated the incremental revenue. Here, companies should also consider these stores and do some additional things and increase some facilities on their stores to attract the customers. Here, what they can do, they can decorate their stores on festivals to grab the attention of customers and run the promotion most on these stores for generating more revenue. So here the two most selling product category. Gaussian tables and combo are another two most selling product category in terms of incremental revenue that generated the highest incremental revenue. Here combo categories generate the most incremental revenue. So what the company can do about this? So the Atliq should increase the quantity of grocery and staples and combo category products in their stores. So there it will be no shortage for this. So now let's see which festival generated the more revenue. As you can see that the Diwali is the highest profitable generated revenue and 160.29, and then Sankranti generated 87.70. Here the 500 cashback and BOGO are the best performer for both of them. Now here Sankranti in IC it is higher than the Diwali. It is in terms of IC, Sankranti IC is 55338 and the Diwali IC is 73085. So the last thing is in the Diwali, the 500 cashback promo tab is used most, and in the Sankranti BOGO is used most. As you can see that here the blue bar is shows the 500 cashback. So in the Diwali, 500 cashback promotion used most by our customer, and in the Sankranti BOGO is used by the customer. So no, as you can see, the people are more prefer 500 cashback and BOGO promotion types. So thank you so much for your attention, guys. I will come with the next presentation. Thank you so much.